So the first thing you want to do in removing the sling is to have a flathead screwdriver handy and to pop off your existing end caps, top and bottom. As you see, this one here is a little old and brittle and is broken. And we have a wide supply on our website under replacement parts if you find that you come up a cap or two short. That's one. That's two. Now on to the top. The easiest way to remove the sling is to take a razor blade and cut it right down the middle from top to bottom. This should free up the sling and you should be able to just pull it down both channels. Once your sling has been removed, and you take your new sling that we have provided based upon your measurements, you're going to remove one side of the chair arm. Place it on its side. Be careful to save all your screws because you're going to want to use them later. Take your sling. First, use a solution. We like to use a solution of a little soapy water down the rail. This will ease and lubricate the rail. Never use any petroleum products like WD-40. That will ruin the material on the fabric. As you see, sliding it down the rail. You can use a needle nose pliers at the end to get it right to the end. Sometimes you have to finagle it in, but look, that is perfect. Then you take the rail that you've removed, spray your soapy solution right down, and come from the other direction.
Sometimes you have to wiggle it from the top because it's stuck because of the rail, but just wiggle a little bit and it'll slide right in.
With the chair laying on its side, you're going to proceed and put the screws back into the side you removed. Sometimes it's necessary to use a spreader if you feel that you cannot get the bolt all the way tight. Just a couple of pumps. And it tightens right in.
install your bars back in. Same thing, spread it.
Now that the sling is fully installed, you're going to cut off the excess spline on the ends with a wire snipper. Just get it right down to the base. The ones at the top also. And reinstall your end caps. That's it, complete. Just took a couple of minutes. Just have a couple of tools nearby, the spreader, a needle nose plier, and a ratchet gun, and it should really take you only a couple of minutes to share.